Yes, about 60% of recent college graduates borrowed money to pay for school, graduating with an average $28,500 in debt each. And experts say debt could impact big life decisions you make in the future as well. Now, for those of you who are maybe thinking about marriage, figuring out how to manage those loans can get pretty complicated. Consumer Reports reveals what you need to understand about student debt before the wedding.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good. Cheers.
When Dialect and Pamela Capelad decided to buy a house and get married, they weren't thinking about student loans, but they quickly realized that debt would be an obstacle to starting their new lives.
I think that was the biggest thing, was really having to readjust what our expectations were in terms of how much house we could buy and what was really going to be affordable for us.
In fact, 28% of adults 40 and under who are out of college and have student loan debt in a National Consumer Reports survey said they had to delay buying a house. In some cases, getting married can increase your monthly student loan payments.
If you're on an income-based repayment program and your household income goes up, your monthly payment may go up too. But it also depends on other factors, such as whether your spouse has student debt or whether you file your taxes jointly.
If you continue to file your taxes separately, in most cases, your student loan payments should remain about the same as it was before marriage. That's because the payment will still be based on just the borrower's income. Use the Department of Education's repayment estimator to get a rough idea. And while filing separately could mean a lower monthly payment, it also will exclude you from important tax benefits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, the Child and Dependent Care Tax Credit, and your deduction for student loans.
We advise you to pay off your loan as quickly as you can afford to. Your monthly payment will be higher, but you'll pay less interest over the life of the loan. And then you'll have more money for other important goals like buying a house or starting a family.
Another good point here, getting married doesn't mean you are responsible for your spouse's existing debt. Generally, unless you co-sign the loan, the borrower is the person who has to pay it back.